How to solve the device TPM problem in Microsoft 365. So if you want to solve the device TPM problem in Microsoft 365, then what you need to do is if you're getting that annoying TPM related errors when signing in or using Office applications, then don't worry, we have fixes for this. So let's begin. First, you need to press Windows plus I on your keyboard, which will open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, you can go with Windows Security, or just simply go with Privacy and Security right here, and then you can go with Windows Security. Click on it and then go with the Device Security, which will be right here. After that, you can go with Security Processes. This is where you can view and manage your TPM chip settings. Once you click on your Security Processor, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to click on Security Processor Troubleshooting, then click Clear TPM when the confirmation window appears. You need to click on Clear and then restart. Your PC will reboot and reset your TPM, which often resolves the Office 365 problems completely. And that's it. After your computer restarts, you need to open your Office 365 again and log in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.